Welcome to AIMS India's online classes. Children, from our science subject, we are going to continue our lesson, human body. Okay, already we have completed learning about some sense of organs, and we have already learnt about skeleton system and muscular system. No, so we will be continuing with the remaining lesson now. Okay, so we learn about nervous system now. Nervous system. So what is this? Which is related with our nerves. Okay. So you will be seeing on our hands, no, on our body, like light green color lines. They are called as nerves. Okay, children. So what they are going to do in our body, that we are going to learn now. So our body is controlled by our brain. Okay, and the brain has messengers called nerves to send the instructions to and from the sense organs. No, so our body, like our body is controlled by our brain. No, so do you agree with this? Even in the before class also I said to you, no, brain, I mean whatever instructions, if you want to eat, or if you want if you smell something, so all that is going to carried, that information is going to carry to the brain, and then the brain is the brain is going to identify the taste of the food, okay, the smell of any particular thing. No, so our body is controlled by our brain. Now if you want to eat, sleep, all the activities physically, even though we are doing with our hands, legs, and all other parts of our body, but all these organs are controlled by our brain. Okay, it is just like our instructor. Okay, so what it says, that we are going to do. And then this brain, how it is going to get the messages? Through these nerves. Like if you want to eat, that is the message you want to convey to the brain. Who is going to carry this message? This message is carried by the nerves. That is why we call them as messengers. No, and we are going to carry these messages to the nerves, and even the instructions also are sent through nerves only. No, the nerves are going to carry the message to the brain. Again, the brain here, what happens after carrying the messages? Again, it is going to instruct back the nerves to do that particular work. So they are going to carry the messages and also carry back the messages to the body. Okay, and where do they carry these messages? From to and from, that is where they are going to carry the messages, and again where they are going to deliver the messages. The nerves are going to carry the messages to the brain. Again the nerves, again from the brain, they are going to receive the message and deliver to the sense organs. Clear, children? And the brain and nerves make up our nervous system. That is why when you say nervous system, we'll be having our brain and also the nerves, these two together are going to make our nervous system. So it controls every function of the body. As I said, whatever work our body is going to do, all that work is going to controlled by this nervous system. Clear, children? Why? Because the main organ is the brain only. No, so without a brain, our body will not be able to work. So that is why the brain is, and along with the brain, nerves also. Why? Because nerves are the messengers who are going to carry the messages to the brain, again from the brain to the sense of organs. That is why the main function of the body is controlled by the nervous system. Clear, children? And it helps the eyes, ears, lungs, hearts, and all other organs to do their work. It also controls our movement. So all the other organs of our body. Like sense organs is what you will be having: eyes, ears, nose, then mouth, tongue, skin, no, all this. So it's not mouth, like tongue, okay, all this. Apart from that, the internal organs like our lungs and kidneys, all that, okay. So all these organs are going to do their work, okay, and it is going to, this nervous system is going to help all these organs to do their work, okay. And also it is going to control our movement, For example, children, I'll just say you one thing. Suppose if you touch something hot, what you will do? Immediately you will take your hand off from that particular object. No, suppose if you are touching a hot glass of water. So you were not knowing that it was hot. So you just touched it. Then you felt it very hot. Then what you will do? You'll just take off your hand from that. No. So who is controlling your hand here? The brain is controlling your hand here. Okay, saying that it is very hot. So you have to take off your hand by not touching the hot glass. Okay, so same like that. So it is going to control our movement. Like here, who controlled our hand movement? Our brain controlled our hand movement. Clear, children? So this is what the circulatory system, nervous system does here. So what we'll be having in this nervous system? We'll be having the brain and also the nerves. See, so this is the skeletal system, like inside. This is our body, how it is going to look. No, and these lines, what are they? They are nothing but the nerves. Okay. And these nerves, in skeletal system you will be having bones, but here in nervous system we are talking about nerves, okay, that green color nerves, okay. And these nerves, they are going to carry messages to the brain and also receive the messages from the brain. Clear, children? Okay, so this is again the nerve. Okay, so this is what will be getting help from the nervous system. Okay, we'll be having our brain and also the nerves together, which are going to make us to work, the human body to work and function properly, and it is also going to control our movement. Clear, children? Now, muscular system. Another one is muscular system, muscles. No, you might have seen some bodybuilding people. No, muscles. They build their muscles. Every one of us will be having muscles. But for some people, their muscles will be very strong because they do very good exercises. They maintain their body. Okay. But every one of us will be having muscles. Okay. And muscles are what? They are attached to the bones in our body. They are attached to the bones in our body, muscles, okay. And what do muscles do? Muscles help the different parts of our body to move. Like if you want to move your leg, bend your leg, or if you want to bend your hand. So whatever movement of our body, like bend your back or stand straight, all these movements of our body are done by the muscles, okay. And all muscles together form the muscular system. What we call it? The system of muscles, it is the muscular system. All the muscles together, where are these muscles? They are attached to the bone. See here, this is the bone. Able to see here? This is the bone, and this red color part, okay, the red color area, that is the muscle. Okay, so this is attached to the bone, and in our body you will be having, along with the bones, the muscles, and all the muscles together will be called as muscular system. Clear, children? And muscles are attached to your bones to help you move your arms and legs. So this is the arm, where you are able to lift your arm. And not only arms, we also move our legs. Okay, so the muscles are going to help us to move our arms and also the legs. Clear? And muscles can pull bones, but they can't push them. So this means muscles have to work in pairs. So muscles, they have to work in pairs. Okay, they are not single. So they have to work in pairs. So when one muscle contracts, get shorter, the other relaxes. Okay, suppose if one muscle is going to go forward, the other muscle has to go the backward. So that we call it as contracts and relaxes. Okay, see here. To bend your arm, you contract. To bend your arm. See, this is the arm where you want to bend it. What happens? You have to shorten this muscle. Okay, and to straighten your arm, if you put the arm like your arm straight, that is when your hand straight, then what happened? You contract, shorten this muscle. Okay, so in this position you will be having this shape. Again, in another position, again the muscle will be having a different muscle. Okay, this one, which one? The down one. So when the upper muscle, the upper part, because here you are bending your arm, this upper muscle is contracting. Okay, so when you straighten the hand or your arm, then this down muscle is going to contract. That is, they are going to work in pairs, like reverse. Like if one is contracting, another one is relaxing. Okay, children? So this is how the muscles are going to work. So what are they basically? Muscles are attached to the bones of our body, and they are going to help the different parts of our body to move. Clear? And all the muscles together are called as muscular system. Clear? See here. You can see here very well. So how about this muscular system? So how they are moving? See? So outside, like our body, we can see this, see this movement. No, because our body is like that, like outside body, externally. But inside, when we are moving this leg, see the muscles here. The red color part is there, no children? See how it is moving here. Okay? So because of that, it is happening. Even you see all these red color areas. Okay, these are all muscles. See how the muscles are moving, where it is helping us to move, the body to move. And not only that, even here the digestive system also. It helps our digestive system also. Like how to move your food through your digestive system. See here, we are taking the food through our mouth and it is going inside our stomach through that pipe and all that. No, this is also with the help of the muscles only. Because without muscles, you could not open your mouth, speak, shake hands, walk, talk, or move your food through your digestive system. Okay, so you will not be able to do all these movements. Okay, so there would be no smiling, blinking, and breathing. So for every movement of our body, you need the muscles. And all the muscles together, they are going to form as the muscular system. Clear, children? Now, okay, next what is that? Respiratory system. Respiratory system. What do you mean by respiratory system? It is nothing but about our breathing system. Breathing. No, every one of us will breathe air. So if we do not breathe air, we will not be having life. No, to have life, we have to breathe air in and we also have to breathe air out. Okay, so that is done by this respiratory system. The work of a respiratory system is very simple. It brings oxygen into your body and removes the carbon dioxide from your body. So what air we will be breathing in, children? The good air, that is oxygen. And what air we are going to send out of our body? That is the carbon dioxide, which is not good for our body. So we have to take good air and we have to take out or send out the bad air. Okay, so your body needs oxygen to survive. So if we do not have oxygen, we will not be living. So respiratory system is going to take care of this breathing process. Clear, children? Now, so we breathe in air to survive and we use our nose to breathe, and inside our body lungs and windpipe help in breathing. So what are going to help us to breathe now? So we are going to breathe the air with the nose, and inside our body here you will be having one windpipe. This is the windpipe through which the air is going to flow. Okay, and it is going to reach the lungs. It is going to reach the lungs. Okay, and the air we breathe in is called inhaled air. What is that air? The air which we breathe in is called as inhaled air, and the air we get out is called as exhaled air. Exhaled, that is, okay, exhaled air. The air we give out is called as exhaled air, okay, and we breathe in air through our nose. So as we said, so the wind again from there it is going to enter the windpipe, and then the windpipe is going to take the air into the lungs. Okay, so when you breathe in, the lungs are filled with fresh air. When you breathe in, okay, the lungs are filled with fresh air which is having oxygen, which is rich in oxygen, and the oxygen is going to mix with the blood and is taken to every part of the body. So inside our body, this oxygen is going to mix with the blood. Now we'll be having blood inside our body. So that is why this oxygen is mixed with the blood and is taken to every part of the body. And the body uses the oxygen to burn the food and produce energy. So why do we need oxygen, children? So that whatever food we have taken, to burn it and to produce the energy so that we can live. So that is why we need oxygen. Clear now? So how do we breathe and what is going to happen to the air? Okay, it is breathing is done with the nose, which is going into the windpipe, and the windpipe is going to send the blood to the lungs. Again from there the blood is going to mix with the oxygen and is going to transfer to the whole body. Clear, children? Now we learn about the digestive system. Digestive system. So a very important system. Again, every system is very important for us. But here, why I am telling you it is important? Because to take care, to have a good health, so you can control this system. You can control. Now, if you are taking good food, good water and all, then your digestive system will be working properly. Okay, so this is completely in your hand. So that is why I am telling you that this is very important for you. Okay, digestive system performs the function of digesting the food that we eat. It is going to, what it is going to do? Digest. Digest is, it is going to digest the food that we are going to eat. Okay, so organs involved in digestion are esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, mouth, etc. So these are all the organs which are involved in the digestive system. So mainly we'll be having our mouth. Why? Because we eat food through our mouth. We have this esophagus like a food pipe, and we have the stomach. Okay, we have liver, and these are so many things, but the main things is the small intestine and the large intestine. Okay, so all these together are going to form as digestive system. Clear, children? So the digestive system allows your body to get the nutrients and energy it needs from the foods you eat. What it is going to do? So whatever food we are taking, it is going to absorb all the nutrients, okay, and the energy it needs, okay, what our body needs. And from where? From the food what we are going to eat. So that is why if you eat good health, you will get good nutrients and good energy to your stomach and to your body. No, and if you are not eating good food, or if you are eating bad food, that is junk food or something like that, then your body will not be getting any nutrients and energy, and you will not be healthy. No. So that is why, children, you have to eat a proper balanced food. Okay. If you are not eating this, your food will not be digested in a right way. Clear? See how it is going to do the work here. See, you eat with your mouth. Suppose this the food is, see, food is taken and it is passed through this esophagus, entered the stomach. Again, it went to this small intestines. See, small intestines and then large intestines, and all the waste has come out of the body. See here, observe very clearly. So this is how the digestive system is going to work. Clear, children? Now, so this then the next one is excretory system. Excretory system. Excretory is what? That is cleaning our body. Okay, which cleans our body. Excretory system cleans our body by throwing out unwanted stuff like urine, stool, etc. So whatever waste is there from our body, this excretory system is going to throw out of our body. Like children, we have our dustbins at our home. No, so whatever kitchen waste is there, house waste is there, whatever dust is there, you'll have your dustbins. You throw it in the dustbin. Why? Because it is waste. You don't need it. If you keep it in your house is going to become dirty. Same like that, our body also will be producing some waste materials like urine, stool. No, that waste materials are going to come out of the body in the form of urine, stool, and so and so. Even this carbon dioxide also. Okay, so this excretory system is going to clean our body by throwing out all this waste, unwanted stuff, that is the waste stuff. Okay, organs that remove waste from the blood from the excretory system, form the excretory system, organs that remove waste from the blood form the excretory system. So we said in this like in this respiratory system also we have learnt that oxygen, that is the good air, is going to mix up with oxygen and is going to transfer throughout the body, to all parts of the body. So what happens, same like that, these organs that remove waste from the blood. So from the blood again, the bad things, that is the waste, again are going to remove by the blood, and that are going to form as the excretory system. Like here the kidneys, the ureters, urinary bladder form the excretory system. So these are the parts of the excretory system. What are they? The kidneys, ureters, and urinary bladder. These three are going to work as excretory system. So the cleaning of the blood is done by the kidneys. So it is going to clean the blood. Like we clean our house with the mop, with the broomstick. Same like that, the cleaning of the blood is done by the kidneys. Okay, they work as filters and remove waste from the blood in form of urine. So whatever waste is there from the blood, they are going to filter it and remove it from the blood in the form of urine. Okay, and not only urine, children, even through carbon dioxide and sweat respectively. So whatever waste is there from the blood, kidneys are going to remove it in the form of urine, carbon dioxide, and sweat. Okay, children, so this is about excretory system. And here you see the picture of the kidney, the diagram of the kidney. So where you will be having the kidneys, blood vessels, ureters, and urinary bladder. Okay, so where here the filter of blood is going to done, and through this pipe, this is like a small pipe like ureters, and here the urine is going to stored and it is going to come out of our body. Okay, so this is how the excretory system is going to work. Clear, children? So hope you have understood all these systems. Okay, and we will be concluding here and we'll be continuing in the next session, children. Until then, take care, stay well, and goodbye. Please visit our website www.aimstoday.in for other information regarding online classes, quizzes, live worksheets, day activities, English classes and coding. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates.